Hello all, welcome and welcome back again to our channel All Things With Us, and welcome back again for another amazing video. If you're new here, feel much welcome. If you're already a subscriber, thank you for always supporting us, coming back, watching our videos, liking them, and commenting and sharing. So in today's video we are going to be making our client this piece of furniture, so stay tuned to know what we are building today. Anyway, if this is your first time clicking on our videos, I feel much welcome in our space. Yeah, and if you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever we upload this video or more videos in future. So in this DIY today, I'm going to be building this piece of furniture. I'm not going to tell you what I'm building. I just want you to watch till the end so that you can follow all the steps, know all the materials that I've used, and see all these processes that I've followed making this piece of furniture until you see the final product, so that you can tell me in the comment section what you think about it. So after joining all these pieces together, I was left with some holes, and I did use a filler to fill the holes. As you can see, I've used the filler, and also I've did a little sanding so that these parts can be a bit smooth. You can buy a filler, or you can also make one from sawdust. That is, you can mix the sawdust with wood glue to make a filler, but for me I prefer buying this one because I'm used to it. Also for the drawers, because this piece of furniture is going to be having 6 drawers, I also did attach the pieces together and also did use the filler. And now I'm going to be using this primer. It's a super fast white paint. You mix it with water, and then you apply to it to the piece of furniture you are building or making or DIYing. Anyway, for me, I've already done that. And now the last coat, I'm going to be using this 2K acrylic paint, which has this thinner and the chemical that makes it dry faster. I like using this paint because it takes less than 5 minutes to dry. That's why I usually work with it. And now here, as you can see on the screen, I'm just making the legs for this piece of furniture. And after that, I'm going to be spray painting it gold because my client wanted it to be gold, because also the handles for the drawers are going to be gold in color. And then after that, I'll be attaching all the pieces together. So if you have watched this video till this far and you haven't liked it or commented on it, kindly take this time to comment on it, like it, and don't forget to share. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't, and hit the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever we upload new videos like this and more. We have a lot of varieties of videos or DIYs that we do a lot of content, a different taste. So this is your channel, one-stop channel that you can see a lot of varieties, and we do teach people, we explain things, so you can benefit or learn one or two from our channel. And also guys, I just remembered that I needed to update you on how we are going to be uploading our videos. We'll be uploading our videos every Tuesday and Friday every week. Yeah, so expect our videos every Tuesday and every Friday. That is if you're following our work.